What's happening right now in Holo?
Let's see if this is a hologram of it or if this is real market. Let's talk about it. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Welcome to Trading HD. Wow, what a chart we have right here. Minus 7% today, more or less around that number. When you see this, let us know in the comments if the price has changed a lot and which direction. Very interesting. In the previous video, we had this vertical line we were talking around when the price was around these levels, and you can see what happened. The breakout of this support level occurred. Then we had a bounce very strong in this level of 0.40 more or less. From there, a strong rejection at the level of 0.50, and then again this level was reached but broken out with a retest, then a false breakout to the upside, and right now it's heading again to lower prices. Maybe they visit again this level of 0.35 where it last bounced. So very interesting price action right here. Let us know in the comments if you follow technical analysis or similar like this, and what else can you see from this perspective, Alvaro?
Yeah, before that, guys, remember to subscribe and leave your comments about this stock. We're gonna read later some comments that our audience, left us in the last video. So obviously, in this particular moment, when in doubt, zoom out, and this is one of the best tips we can give you in investing, or trading, because you have the longer time frame is like the more strength you have in that sense. So for instance, if you go to the 4 hour in the 1 hour chart we are right now, obviously you can see that we have some uptrends and then downtrends. So in general, in that sense, in this picture we have a bearish trend. We go to the daily chart, again, a huge downtrend, and we go to the weekly, huge downturn. Even though we saw incredible rebounds during this time, between 2022 and 2023, the reality is like the stock is in minus 99.99%. So obviously, even if you go to the year-to-date chart, still we have a minus 99%. So it's completely bearish, and when in doubt, it's the best to think about that. So that is the risk that you have, when you are buying this stock that probably is going down.
It's interesting to see, the whole perspective. We don't like to lose it. And right here, you can see, as I mentioned, those upside movements going to the weekly chart again. You can clearly see at the start during 2022, we had this movement almost 1000% to the upside. But from there, the movement was the same to the lower part, minus 90 something percent. Then again, we had another movement to the upside around 7,700%. Sorry. From there, wow, this one was even crazier, losing that support level, minus 99%, around the 98, something like that. Then another movement to the upside, very vertical, this time 6,000%. Like the lower the price went, the higher the opportunity was because, the market cap was lower and all that. But from there, the risk was the same. Right here, minus 99 something percent. So this time we could see something similar. It could happen. We don't know the future. But of course, both scenarios happened in the past. So there were opportunities for long traders and short traders, for bulls and for bears. So you have to be prepared, in our opinion, for all the possible scenarios. So right now, let us know in the comments below, what do you think, up or down, and the reasons behind it.
And guys, the reality is like you may think, okay, these are three great opportunities, but it's difficult to catch them. It's difficult to buy the stock before just before that happens. Because right now, imagine that you buy the stock. Let's imagine, for instance, right here, in November 2023. You buy it right there, yeah, it goes up a little bit, and then you hold it, you don't sell it, and then it goes down minus 74%, and then it goes up, and you recover the losses. But it's not 6,000%, it's just, 1,500. Still very good, but probably in the rest of these scenarios, it's very risky. It's actually you go there and you have to hold a minus 75%. And in most cases, they enter into bankruptcy and you lose all the money. So we have a lot of risk when trading stocks like this with a negative net income. And still, you are risking even more, when you are holding like stocks that are in exactly 0.37%. Because in Nasdaq, the regulations is like they had to do stock splits if they are below $1. And if they don't do it, I mean, they have to do it. If they don't do it, they are delisted. So we have different risks as well here.
Yeah, it's interesting to take all the possible information about any stock and from there, take your own decisions, but make sure that you know all the possible scenarios and what you're risking and what are the profits that you could get. So very interesting perspective. Going back to the 1 hour time frame, what else can we see from the technical side? We could draw a kind of a parallel channel right here, going to the downside. We could say like the levels could be something like this, where like falls breaking out to the upside, or even higher resistance areas if we take into account the higher point that we see right there, and the same with the lowest part. But the thing is like to have this area as an idea, you know, about where the price has been trading during this last month or these last weeks. And right now we are in the middle of this parallel channel right here, going to the lower side. So guys, I have a prediction question for you. Do you think the level of 0.41 will be hit again, or do you think like the lower part of this channel will be hit before that? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. So which direction do you take? And if you want to let us know a little bit more about your prediction, do you think the breakout to the upside will happen, or the breakout to the downside? And also the reasons for that. I am very interested to know all your opinions, but also why do you think that? And if you can share like your trading strategies or your trading plans, something like that, we really appreciate it because we can comment them with you and learn all together.
Guys, we're gonna read right now the latest comments of the previous video, Enrique, so you can paste them right here, and we're gonna give you, some insights about it.
Let's go. Very interesting comments. You commented a lot, so thank you very much. I pasted them. Can you read them, Alvaro?
Yeah, so we have here the first one. DJ Laughhawks Official is gonna explode.
Okay, so you didn't mention the direction. Maybe you said it to the downside. You guessed it. If not, just kidding. You know, we don't know what could happen. The interesting thing I wanted to mention also, and you remembered me with this comment, is like the markets yesterday and during the end of the last week were all in red. You know, they were correcting like crazy, a lot of volatility to the downside. But today, a lot of stocks have been bouncing. You know, we have Surf stocks, we analyzed this in this channel, plus 22%, Maxion plus 18%, Palantir 12%, also Sound Stock or Nvidia 8%. So the in the other direction. So very interesting to see why this stock is minus 8%, you know, because we don't have a lot of stocks in our watch list in the red territory. So why do you think this is happening? Then we have Nuno Pereira. It's possible $50 August, September. We guess that you are
Oh my gosh.
also Spanish if you spoke like that. So we don't know, but it could be crazy. Let's see the market cap of this stock right now. We have the indicator
$50.
right there.
That would be like for almost 40,000%.
Yeah, you know, the market cap should be something around, yeah, we had that prices in 2024 in February, I think. And the market cap was around, yeah, more than $1 billion, I think, looking at this perspective.
Yeah, we can check that. Yeah, at that particular moment, it was like 400 million, and the first one in August 2023, we had like 500 million, and the peak level was in January 2023, 600 million almost.
Yeah, so very interesting that perspective, but you have to take into account, you know, the whole picture, and the market cap has to go accordingly. So a lot of investors should enter into this stock in order for that to happen. So let's see if it happens. That would be incredible. But for now, it didn't. So thank you for that comment. If you want to leave another prediction in the comments, let us know. Let's read the next one.
Yeah, let's go to the next one. We have a Matthew Ray. Can you do a video on PRST Presto Automation? It's at 0.5 cents right now. Well, that could be interesting, Enrique. We can add it to our watch list.
Yeah, I was gonna ask. I read that comment, and if you guys know about this stock or you want the analysis, as Matthew, yeah, sorry, I can read. Yeah, Matthew Ray, let us know it here. If you want this stock, also let us know below, and we can make a video about it and comment it with you.
Yeah, we have Eddie Cortez as well. He's ready to explode to the downside or
Okay,
to the upside. I don't know.
yeah, the same one as the first. I mean, I think they mean to the upside. It
Yeah.
didn't happen, you know. Also, the markets kind of exploded in a way. You know, last week was completely insane, and also yesterday we analyzed two stocks, and wow, the red territory was completely insane. So maybe the markets are affected for that also. Maybe we see now a bullish movement. We don't know. Let us know in the comments below your thoughts.
Yeah, we have another one, Enrique Farah Hormer.
Let's see, 34 cents. I think that's a very clear prediction. So, wow,
It's
right now it's
almost there.
37. Yeah, 37 cents. It even reached that number, you know, because we asked this in the previous video that was during the 29th of July, if I'm not mistaken. So it already kind of hit that level. So very good prediction right there.
Good job, Farah Homer. And then the last one, Enrique Alejandro González.
Ok, septiembre-octubre lo veremos en 30, 35, 55. September-October, we will see this in 30, 55, says Alejandro González. We will see. We have to wait and see. But as we mentioned, the market cap should grow a lot in order for that to happen. So let us know in the comments if you took that into perspective, you know, for commenting those kind of forecasts, or maybe some people comment that and they meant another number or a different cipher. We don't know. But if you mean this, I'm very interested in knowing why do you think that. You know, maybe you have different information from what we can see right here. So we are always happy to learn and amplify our perspective. So thanks for all those comments. We really appreciate it. All the subscribers, thank you very much. More than 1,600. Wow, crazy. Trading HT, honest traders. Welcome to the community. Thank you very much. Check out our videos right here.
Bye bye.